Hello, everybody. How are you? So great. Welcome back again to my channel, Lomsai Creation. So I know it's been after long time I'm putting a video because there was some health problem to me, and also wedding functions were in my home. So due to that little bit gap, but now I'm again back. So that's why a warm welcome for you all people, those who are my subscribers, and those who have still not subscribed to my channel. Please do subscribe my channel. So any guess, please comment me any guess what would be the today's topic. Any guess? Be fast. And one more thing, I just want to know the people who are watching my channels, from where they are, from which area, whether they are from India or outside India, from which country, which city they are. Please mention in the comment section so that I know from where my videos are going to be seen. People from where are seeking my videos. So today's topic is YouTube Google Ads. First of all, I would love to tell you how it works. Create a video ad, set up a campaign, and measure your results. Affordable Google advertisement for small, growing, and unique businesses just like yours. Reach your customers via search ads, banner ads, shopping ads, and retargeting. Start your campaign just with very small amount. You can start it with just very small amount, even it's a rupees 500 in Indian currency. Online video advertisement lets you reach potential customers where they are watching. Grow your business with YouTube ads. Now I'm telling you about video campaigns. Video campaigns let you show ads in videos on YouTube and on websites and apps running on Google Video Partners. So now use Google Ads for video. You can set up a simple ad campaign for your videos by using the promotions tab in YouTube Studio. Start by following steps to create new promotion in YouTube Studio. If you need more advanced controls, use YouTube ad features in Google Ads. So this was all about Google Ads in video. Google Ads are very effective for YouTube channels. You can measure results on your behalf also. Means you can measure results without ad campaign. Note down the results. And if you put ad campaigns in your YouTube channel, in your business, you can yourself measure write down whatever would be the results. Then compare both, like after a video ad campaign and prior to video ad campaign. You can see yourself what would be the difference. Definitely it would be very effective. Video ad campaigns are very effective. The system can help you develop and control video marketing campaign. This paves the way for you to get new subscribers and expand your audience. Means if you put video ad campaigns, then you will get more and more subscribers, because lots of people would take interest in your videos, in your business, whatever, for whatever you are doing ad campaign. So definitely subscribers will increase, your business will expand. You may use the platform to launch a wide range of video promotion campaign. Means video promotion campaign. So now I'm here telling you about benefits of video campaign. So once again I'm telling you, there is some throat problem, please adjust accordingly. sometime my volume could be high and sometime it could be on lower side, so please adjust accordingly. My throat is very like it's very in problem, so I'm not able to even speak properly. But yes, I hope you are getting my point. If there's are still any doubt, you can comment me. And also please do subscribe my channel, and also comment me the location from where you are seeing my videos. Benefits of video campaign. For number one, reach your goals, get more sales, drive website traffic, build awareness for your business, and more. When you create video ad campaign. Number two, reach the right audience. Reach people on YouTube and through Google Video partners by targeting topics, keywords, demography, and more. Number three, measure your success. Figure out if you're reaching the right audience. Check your Google Ads account to track views, cost, and budget details. Means you have to check each and everything, and also then measure your results. How it works. Now here I'm telling you how Google Ad campaign works in detail. You can create making video ad campaign with range of ad formats to engage customer in different ways on YouTube and through Google Video partners. Skippable. Number one, skippable in stream ads. It play before, during, or after videos. After that plays for 5 seconds, the viewer is given the option to skip it. As you have seen in most of the videos, if you start the videos, ad starts, and there on the right side small corner skip column is there. So then in that case there is option whether you want to skip the ad. You can skip just by clicking on the skip button. So there are options in skippable ads. On the other hand, there are non-skippable in-stream ads. These are designed to allow you to reach customers with your entire message and for 50 seconds or less, but there is no option for skippable. Means you can't skip these ads. Number 3, bumper ads. Bumper ads are very short video ad formats. I'm sorry, there was some throat problem. Here I was telling about bumper ads that are short video ad formats designed to allow you to reach customers broadly and increase awareness of your brand by using short memorable message. Bumper ads are 6 seconds or less. Viewers can't skip the ad. So this was all about the bumper ads. The next one is in-feed video ads that only appear on YouTube and reach people in places where they are discovering the content. The appearance will vary depending on ad sizes and ad formats that content publishers support. When viewer click on the thumbnail for your video, the video will play on its YouTube watch or channel ads. The next one is outstream ads. Outstream ads appear on websites and apps running on Google Video Partner. These ads are only available on mobile and tablets and are designed to help make it easier for users to tap to play our video. Outstream ads can help to increase brand awareness by extending your reach beyond YouTube. The next one is masthead ads. Help you showcase your brand product or services in a native video based ad format that appears in YouTube home feed across all devices. Use these to drive massive reach or awareness. Plan buys in advance rather than relying on auction or gain prominent visibility on YouTube home feed. So now here is the topic when to use video ad campaign. You want to use on or off YouTube. Recommended for all Google advertisers from first timers to more experienced people. Showing video ads may seem sophisticated, but that the beauty behind the ad campaign. So this was all about the Google ad campaign. Here I have explained the details, how it works, when to use video ad campaigns, what are the benefits of ad campaigns, use Google ad video ad campaigns. These are very effective ways, how it works, benefits. So all these details here I have mentioned. So still, if there is any doubt, you can comment me below my video. I always wait for your reply, your comment. I I read each and every comment and try to reply every comment. Your beautiful comments, beautiful words make me more and more motivated. I remain very happy when I read your comment below my videos. So those who have still not subscribed to my channel, so please do subscribe my channel so that you can enjoy the upcoming videos. My videos are mostly entertaining videos also, and knowledgeable videos, devotional videos, so you can enjoy all this. Here I'm showing you also, this is my channel Om Sai Creation. Here you can see, I'm sorry, here you can see whenever we click on a video, first of all ad comes. It could be a skippable or non-skippable, any kind of ads. Bumper ads are also there. If we want to sell the products, that ads could be there. So definitely video ad campaigns is very effective ways to reach your targeting customers, potential customer, gaining more and more subscribers. So very effective way. I recommend you to enhance your business, product, brand awareness, use video ad campaigns. So also, now it's going to be time to say bye bye, but before ending the video I would love to say you, please comment me. I always remain wait for your beautiful comments. Also subscribe my channel, and suppose what should be the next topic of my video, please suggest me. And also whatever type of video you want to see in my channel, just comment me, because I always love to wait for your comments, your beautiful comments, loving comments. I love you guys, and do subscribe my channels, keep watching my videos, and be in link with me. Also follow my Facebook page, that is by the name of Neha Arora. Please, that's link in my YouTube about section. Please go through that, watch my videos, and follow my Facebook. There I put beautiful reels and acting, so please follow that. Go there and support my channel, my social media Facebook account too. So I should be very thankful to you. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care. See you in next video. Love you.